In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable YouTube Music. We will walk through the exact settings you need, step by step, so you can get the app working again on your device. First, open your device's settings. Look for the settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a gray gear symbol. When you tap it, the main settings screen opens, with sections for network, sound, apps, and more. Knowing you are in the main settings menu before moving on helps avoid getting lost later. Once that is open, click App. On many Android phones, this might be called Apps or Applications, but it will be the section that controls installed apps on your device. When you tap it, you should see a screen focused on how your apps behave, often with options like Default Apps, App Permissions, and Special Access. If you do not see App right away, you might need to scroll a little bit within the settings list. From there, click App List. This option shows every app installed on your device in one place. When you open App List, you will usually see them in alphabetical order, sometimes with a search bar at the top. You might also see filters like All Apps, System Apps, or Disabled Apps. If there is a choice, make sure you are viewing all apps so YouTube Music can appear in the list. Next up, search for YouTube Music. Look for the search field at the top of the app list screen and tap it so the keyboard appears. Type the words YouTube Music slowly so the search can narrow down the results as you type. On many devices, as soon as you finish typing, the list will shrink to just the matching apps without needing an extra button. If you accidentally type YouTube instead of YouTube Music, you might land on the main YouTube app instead, so double-check the full app name. After that, tap to open, then click Enable. First, tap the YouTube Music entry in the list to open its app info page. This screen usually shows the app icon at the top, with details like storage, permissions, notifications, and battery usage. Because the app is currently turned off, you should see a button labeled Enable near the top. Go ahead and tap Enable. The button will change and disappear or turn into a Disable button, which confirms the app is now active again. On most phones, this change applies instantly, so you can press your home button, find the YouTube Music icon, and open it right away. If you had the app hidden in your launcher before, it should now appear again among your other apps. You have now fully enabled YouTube Music through your device settings, so you can open it and start listening again. If this walkthrough helped you get YouTube Music running, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.